Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Kia Sorento SI, stock reference number 5582. This shape runs from the 10th month 2009 through to the 9th month 2012. It has a D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tailgate garnish, right hand tailgate garnish, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door 3 small dents, right front door no damage, right power door mirror, right guard no damage, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.